Assalamualaikum and welcome back. Our today's video is about cavity. How we can recognize the person is having a cavity, what are the signs and symptoms, and how it's developed. First of all, I will tell you the definition of cavity, how you will recognize. The cavities are black, brown, or white staining on the teeth. The cavities develop in any age, but it is most common in young children, teenage, and old age. Why? Because the young children and teenage they feel lazy to do the brushing, and old age also it's almost same, but they are using too much medications also. The cavities are tiny holes on the surface of your teeth, the first surface which is called enamel. How this hole develops? This hole develops due to frequent sipping of the sugar items, eating of sugar items, and frequent snacking, bacterial development in your mouth, or not doing the brushing on time. If we will talk about the sign and symptoms, there are different sign and symptoms which give us idea that this person is developing the cavities. You know, the oral examination is not easy at home, so we should recognize about the cavities by symptoms. The first symptom is spontaneous pain. Without any issue, you will start to feel pain in your teeth. The second symptom is you will start to feel pain whenever you are eating hot or cold or sugar items. The third symptom is you are having a pain when you bite any items. The fourth symptom is you will find a hole on your teeth. The fifth one is you will find brown, black or white color staining on your teeth. Sixth symptom is tooth sensitivity. Now the sign and symptoms are clear. After this, we will discuss what is the cause, what is causing these cavities. The first of all is plaque formation. Now, how the plaque develop? Whenever we eat any sugar or starch item, the thin film will be coated on our teeth. We have to remove this film as soon as possible by brushing. When we are not removing this film, then bacteria start to feed themselves with this film and start to make plaque. If we are not removing this plaque on time, this is start to get harder below our gum line or under our gums, and it's make tartar, which is called calculus. Now this calculus is really hard to remove, and it is giving a very good platform to the bacteria to grow there, and it's damaged the first layer of enamel. Once the first layer of teeth, which is called enamel, is damaged, it is giving the tubes or holes on the enamel surface, which is allowing the bacteria and acid to reach to the next surface, which is called dentin. The dentin is most soft surface than the enamel, and it is less resistant to this acid. So what is happening when this bacteria and acid reach to dentin, it affect quickly and make a holes. When the dentin is damaged, because this dentin is more sensitive, so it will cause the sensitivity. This is called first stage of cavity. Now this dentin, when the holes are in the dentin and there is a tiny openings, the bacteria start to go down into the pulp, which is soft part of the teeth. This pulp contains lot of blood vessels and nerves. When this bacteria and acid reach to the pulp, it causes swelling and irritation. As the teeth don't have place for the swelling, what will happen? It will start to pressurize the nerves. When the nerves are pressurized by this swelling, it causes severe pain and tooth decay. When this pressure increase on the nerves, the bone of the teeth also start to be affected with this one. Until here, today we discuss about the cavity, how the cavity look like, how it develop, what are the signs and symptoms, and what are the causes for developing the cavities. In our next video, we will discuss about the risk factors, complications, and the treatment. Three things. Because if I will make very long video, you people may get bored. So I don't want to make you bored. This is the reason I make this video into 2 sessions. So inshallah, in next video we will discuss about these 3 topics: the risk factor, complication, and prevention. If you really like my video and you want to get more knowledge about the dental anatomy, about the dentistry, and about the medical, then subscribe this channel and share the videos with your friend. So I will be more, I will get more motivations, and I will make inshallah frequent videos for your knowledge improvement. Thank you so much for continued support.